Baby, y'all paying $14 for this at Chipotle when your grandma been making it since 1972. Listen, I love Chipotle just like the next person, but every time I go in there, they sliding that spoon like they feeding a bird. Little rice, 3 pieces of chicken, and the total come up to like a car note. Take that chicken, coat it with olive oil, set it to the side for a bit. Then you want to add your seasoning mix. I'm using my own homemade copycat Kinder's grilled chicken seasoning is busting. Now listen, if you cook from scratch like my people do, your cabinet probably got everything that you need to season this chicken. If you don't got my copycat grilled chicken seasoning recipe in my cookbook, then you missing out. But you can use some garlic powder, chili powder, cumin and salt, and pepper, and some smoked paprika. I guess it'll get the job done for now. You want to squeeze some fresh lime on top. You want to mix like your life depend on it, because baby, that lime gonna wake that chicken up. Where I'm from, before Chipotle ever existed, this was just called a chicken bowl. Let's talk about the rice, because if the rice ain't right, the whole bowl gonna fall apart. This part right here is where it makes it taste like a restaurant. I'm using basmati rice because it cooks light and fluffy, not sticky like the cafeteria rice. Open a can of corn, be sure to drain it and pour it into a pot along with some black beans. Make sure you rinse the black beans though. Don't want all that gunk. I like to rinse it in the can, then pour it into the pot. And I like to give it a good mix. This is just how I like to do my Chipotle bowls. Then you want to add that chicken that you let marinate, and you want to throw it in the skillet and let it cook until it gets a little bit crispy edges. Not burnt crispy. That's the difference between cooking and just heating something up. I like to let it cook for a few minutes on both sides until I know, like, okay, chicken, it looks like it's done. It's no longer raw, because we don't like raw nothing over here. See all that chicken right here? Yeah. If this was Chipotle, they would have give you about 4 pieces of chopped chicken and look you dead in your face like they just did you a favor. I'm gonna make sure my chicken is fully cooked on both sides, and then I'm going to take it off of the skillet and chop it up, because it has to be chopped up into smaller portions so we can get that Chipotle bowl feeling. And I don't know about y'all, but baby, I'm gonna bring out that big butcher's knife. It's gonna get the job done every time. Now, once you're done chopping it up really fine into smaller pieces, be sure to add it back to the skillet so it can cook a little bit longer. Now let's talk about this rice, baby. We're gonna take that hot white rice and we're gonna be sure to add some lime juice. That lime juice is gonna give it that busting, refreshing taste. Then you want to add some chopped cilantro. That lime and cilantro combo, that is what make folks think that you did something fancy. Don't it already look like we got Chipotle, y'all? Look how that cilantro hit that rice. Baby, you can't tell me nothing. It's gonna taste 10 times better than Chipotle. You ain't gonna want to spend your money with them no more. Now it's time to build our bowl. The rice is gonna go on the bottom. Be sure that rice is mixed really good. Then you're gonna come in and add your chicken. Then you're gonna come in and add your beans, your corns, and whatever toppings that you like. The toppings that I like to use is avocado, lettuce, cheese, sour cream, tomatoes, any topping that you like, y'all, that y'all can think of at Chipotle, add it on. And baby, just like that, you got Chipotle bowl at home. And listen, cooking from scratch ain't just about saving money. It's about knowing how to feed your family without depending on these restaurants. My grandma was making meals like this long before Chipotle ever came around. If you want the exact measurements in my full recipe, that's inside my cookbook, link in the bio, because baby, cooking from scratch will change your life. If y'all enjoy content like this, follow your girl for more. If you got a friend that loves Chipotle, go ahead and send it to them so they can make their own and save their money.